Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. So today I've got an exciting box that I wanted to share with you. They are new to me. I think they've only been recently released. Beauty boxes from Next. So I have the birthday beauty box. From the name of it, it would be a nice birthday gift or just a gift to yourself if you're like me and you can't help yourself. It is amazing value. They have a really good range on the website. There's a nice mix of different kind of budget boxes, ranging from I think £12 up. This box was £18, but it was worth a lot more, and you'll see what I mean when I open the box. They've got some brand only boxes like MAC. There's a MAC only box, there is a Bobbi Brown box, and then there's boxes that are mixed like this one. It was actually delivered for collect in store and it was available the next day, which is amazing, and it was free as well, so can't complain at that. I just got really excited about it. New box, yeah. So I've actually not opened it yet. I can remember one of the products in here, which was the main one that I really wanted, because surprisingly I've never had it before, but the rest of the products, if I remember rightly, were fab. And it comes in its box like this, so Next Beauty. I didn't realise, by the way, how much of an amazing beauty range they've actually got on Next. I've never known that before. Is it just me, or I don't know, is that common knowledge? I don't know. This is what it looks like inside. It's all wrapped up in tissue. So it has a leaflet in here which does tell you all about the products, and yeah, you can put to me, happy birthday from me. The first thing we've got in here is from Benefit. So this is the Benefit Bare Real Mascara, Beyond Mascara, and it's a 3 gram, so it's a little deluxe mini version of it. I absolutely love Benefit mascaras, love them, and this is a really nice way to try this one if you've not tried them already, or you don't want to commit to buying the full size version of it. Obviously it's more of a premium brand. I could have done with a new one, so a little mini Benefit mascara is great for me. Next product I've got is from Murad Hydration AHA/BAHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is a 60ml, which is a really nice size. Murad products are really highly rated, and it's a really nice, I'd say it's a premium brand as well, to be fair. That is going to last ages. As a cleanser, you know, you're not going to use a massive amount each time anyway. So yeah, that is massive thumbs up. Looking forward to trying that. I've never tried that before. The next thing I've got is from Ren Clean Skincare, and it's the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. It's a sensitive on here, and it's a 5ml. That's what that looks like. I've never tried this before either. So to use at night, melt balm with fingertips and gently massage onto clean dry skin until absorbed. It says it's for sensitive and reactive skin. So yeah, that sounds really nice. It sounds like if you've got, you know, kind of irritated skin, especially say like you were using like an exfoliator or a mask or something that was quite intense, and you've got sensitive skin, that sounds like it would kind of restore it and bring it back to a nice kind of level again. The next product I've got is a full-size version. It's from Nails Inc. Is it just me, or is that like lime green? Nail Kale Base Coat to cover all bases with Nails Inc. Let's see what it says about this in the leaflet. Treat your nails to some much needed TLC with the Superfood Base Coat. It contains a powerful, deeply nourishing treatment, plus feeds your nails with vitamins A, C, E, F and H. Ooh, I thought that that's what it would be. Some kind of nourishing nail treatment. I could really do with that right now. I've been slacking on the nail front and haven't done my gels or had acrylics or anything for a while. They're just kind of fading away. I could really do with a pamper this weekend on my nails and sort them out. The next thing I've got is from Clarins. I had no idea this was going to be in here. It is Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. It softens hands and strengthens nails. Right up there with the nail pamper. This is helping me out. This is a 30ml. I like Clarins. I've never used this before, but like I just said, I could really do with some sort of rescue on my nails right now, so don't judge me. But I can use this as well. I'm surprised that's not, it's sealed. I'm surprised that's not a full size, to be fair, because 30ml for a hand cream, I think that's pretty good go. And again, that is going to last for ages. And the next product, which is the one that I really wanted, is the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, which is probably one of the most well-known MAC red lipsticks anyway, if not the most popular. And I've never had it. And I don't know how, because I love red lips, clearly. I'm a red lip fiend, and this is kind of like iconic. So I seen this box had this in, and it's a full-size version of it as well. So it pretty much pays for the entire box anyway. The box was £18. And we've got Clarins in there, we've got Nails Ink, we've got Ren, and we've got Murad. And then we've got a full-size MAC lipstick. And oh my god, it's just the most perfect red. It is just perfect. It's looking a lot lighter on camera than I think in real life, but like in reality it's quite a dark red. But I had to get it. I had to get it. Yeah, fangirl over here. And last but not least, we do have another product in here, which is from Bumble and Bumble. And it's the Bond Building Repair Treatment. So it says it strengthens hair with Honey Bond Building Complex. And this is a 30ml. Again, Bumble and Bumble, it's a really nice brand, really popular products. I just think that is one of the nicest put together boxes, and for £18, the value of that box and the products is amazing. And to be honest, all the boxes on there, it was quite difficult for me to choose one. They have some really nice boxes, really nice skincare products and makeup products. Obviously, they've got a MAC only box, they've got a Bobbi Brown box, and all of the boxes have got really good value as well. And it always gets me, how do they do it? But they do it. Yeah, you've got a little bit of everything. Really nice premium brands, MAC, Clarins, Benefit, Murad. Like, what more could you want? I am probably going to be tempted to go back on the next website and buy more boxes, because this is me and what I do. And yeah, massive thumbs up. I really, really recommend checking it out if you're on the lookout for a new box. Let me know down below what you think of the box. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.